The Baby Shark Adventure. Once upon a time, in a vast ocean, there lived a baby shark who loved to swim, explore, and meet new fish friends. One day, he met a tiny fish who was struggling to swim and was being bullied by other fish because of her size. Feeling bad for the fish, the baby shark offered to give her swimming lessons, and as she got more confident, they began touring the ocean. They played together, explored together, and found joy in their differences. But one day, a group of big sharks appeared out of nowhere. The baby shark's friend was scared and started swimming away, but the baby shark refused to leave his new friend. He stood up for her. To everyone's surprise, the big shark saw how kind and brave the baby shark was, and they admired him for it. From then on, they vowed to leave the tiny fish alone. The big sharks then joined the baby shark and his friend on their journey, and the tiny fish soon realized that everyone deserves a chance, and that being kind and helping others could make a huge difference. The end.